I think in creative agencies, unfortunately, the struggle is even more pronounced of the lack
Yeah.
of representation. In media agencies, I think we are more diverse, but there's aspects like disability, socioeconomics that there's a huge way to go.
Yeah.
The latest IPA census data shows that there's been real progress in terms of, for example, multi-ethnic representation at entry level for agencies in the UK, and also really importantly at leadership level as well. Real gains.
Okay, that's
So
brilliant.
that's great. But in your average, brainstorming room around a campaign, when a creative brief is being digested, uh, when a media plan is being built out, there is not enough diversity. And you touched on a really important question, Juliet. And obviously, the answer is that it's precisely the lack of representation of the full UK population
Yeah.
that is leading us to ignore the opportunity that exists. Because this is an opportunity.
Yeah.
This is not a moral argument. I would like to see the same seriousness, application, focus as our industry has about, missions like devolving from cookie-based approaches to advertising,
You really,
revolutionizing
yeah.
the way we approach commerce. Like, wow, it just
Yeah.
shows when we all pull in the same direction, we can move the needle so far in just a couple of years. And I want to see that same seriousness and shared direction and shared pulling in order to make a difference around inclusive marketing.
Yeah, absolutely. And that feeds back to then the point I was saying that sometimes it's not a priority for the client. If we need it to be a priority for every single client and for every single agency,
Yeah.
and maybe that even feeds into having more representation at the table and people who are making those decisions. Like, I don't understand how it cannot be a priority right now or not for this plan.